How to make wudu. Let's learn to make wudu before we offer salah. So, make sure to follow these steps one after the other in order. Before you begin making wudu, there is something you must do. You must make an intention to make wudu. It's easy. You have to think of your intention to make wudu by saying it to yourself softly. I am going to make wudu. Now, let's take a look at the steps for making wudu. Step 1. You must start making wudu by saying Bismillah. Step 2. Wash both your hands completely, including your palms, wrist, and in between your fingers. Repeat this step 3 times. Step 3. Use your right hand to put some water into your mouth. Gargle or rinse your mouth with the water and then spit it out. Repeat this step 3 times. Step 4. Use your right hand to rinse and clean your nose by sniffing in some water. Then use your left hand to blow the water out. Repeat this step 3 times. Step 5. Wash your entire face, beginning with your forehead and going down to your chin and from your right ear to your left ear. If you have a beard, you must also clean your beard. Run your wet fingers through the beard to clean it. Step 6. Wash your arms. Begin washing your right arm starting at the fingertips, your entire hand, arm, and then the elbow. Repeat this step 3 times. Then wash your left arm the same way and repeat it 3 times. Step 7. Wet your hands and wipe them to your head from the front to the back of your head and then back to front. This should be done in one move. This step is done only once. Step 8. Use your index finger to clean the inside of your right and left ear to remove any dirt. Then use your thumb to clean back to the right and left ear. This step is done only once. Step 9. Wash your right foot, moving up to your ankle, including your toes and in between. Use your pinky finger to clean in between your toes. This step must be repeated 3 times. Then follow the same steps for your left foot and repeat it 3 times. Step 10. Finally, say the after wudu dua. When you have said the dua, your wudu becomes complete and you can start praying as long as your wudu is not broken. Do you know the 4 things that can break your wudu? Well, let me tell you what they are. 1. Using the toilet. 2. Passing wind. 3. Falling into deep sleep. And 4. Falling unconscious. So, are you ready for salah? Let's get started.